Just little short announcement that on the request of Yomo Society of America, His Holiness Deputy Junior Sanche Sanketema Shepa accepted our request, and out of great compassion is going to bestow us today Vajrasattva's empowerment. So we are really fortunate. We can really enjoy the time. Amen. From His Holiness Deputy Sanche. So this is very short lineage. So we should really enjoy this. And during the empowerment, Ken will translate into English. And now His Holiness is going to prepare the empowerment. So during this time, all the Dharma brothers and sisters chant the Vajrasattva's mantras and just be patient and be more quiet. Thank you very much.
남진까지 하나경의 수능지 소나무 진료도 조심 남지 현지집이 시가만으로 또한주에 전부자된 수능 피지 주관님에도 지주관세 맞은 남지 제대로 지순상대 아마 출입처 윤진영내님으로 지도주와 소신 신가같이 전적으로 지난 왕국을 때우고 삼원주와나 아니면 화면지 자와 중년 우체라고 만남지 먹어도 되고 Omara Wanguru Sangui Guru Mental 一些网络上面女级网的告诉的，女级网的告诉的呢，一些娃娃是他一些娃娃那边往前练往前做这个，也得去让呢，你这把第一，你刚才怕刚红，你就上场，什么？一那些的，你就业嘛，嘛，从嘛。ये का समाना और प्रोजेक्ट संभाले ये लोग शोधन की विधि करते हैं ना प्रोजेक्ट संभाले यूं ये तो चीज़ें ये ना नो ये मिशन अभी प्रोजेक्ट संभाले क्या कौन ना माजी बंदियों मारे ये चीज़ ये वांग शुआ कोरानी वांग कुछ ही लामानी का ये और प्रोजेक्ट संभाले 나용이 까마 걔로 지금 걔로 엄마가 많이가 네 남이들은 왜 왕국을 갖추나요? 네 공원상화 세왕 세왕 제가 말한소 누구를 사정 갖추가 네 남이 주로 엄내에서 가고 이런 소파된다고 수만 나이지도 집에 왕 쉬나요? 지도 야나 왕 자나 소들이 공왕 상왕 세왕 셔왕 세왕의 왕시들이 내리가 또 삼년간의 날씨에 가는데 이 시바와 비타민이나 이 차자 수민이 또 장세는 남바 앞에다 보이네 라미 라마가 강에 주에 오늘도 말게 위신이 근데 파도 제선다 제가 세다제가 사실 지나 같이 줘야 될 나라서는 카와 연소나 카와가 갔다고 스스 핀데 이미지는 가지고 배도를 누가 자꾸 그러는데 대화실 때문에
we have now completed the preparation of this empowerment by giving the purification water and then offering torma and all this. Now is for the actual empowerment. In this case, is the empowerment of the Vajrasattva. According to the text itself, then what you should do is you have to visualize the Vajra master who is giving the empowerment as also Vajrasattva in union with the consort. And in this case, generally in other whatever deity, the empowerment that you receive, you have to visualize yourself as that deity. In this case, as we are receiving the Vajrasattva empowerment, according to the text, it says that you have to visualize yourself as the Vajrasattva in union with the consort. But just for simplicity, you can visualize yourself as Vajrasattva and then receive the empowerment. When you receive the empowerment, it's same like as we do in the Mondo practices. You receive the Sarvas empowerment, speech empowerment, mind empowerment, and the quality empowerment from the lamas of head, throat, heart, and the secret place and all this. So in the same way, when you are receiving this empowerment too, so you have to receive this empowerment accordingly. And then also when you are receiving this empowerment, you have to visualize that from the heart of the Lama, and from your heart light radiates and goes to all the directions, and all the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas blessing, they come forth in the form of as the blessing of the body, in the form of the various images of various sizes, and as the blessing of the speech in the form of various mantras and different 6 syllables, and as the blessing of the heart, you have to visualize that all those Vajra and other hand emblems of the Buddhas come forth, and all of them dissolve in you like the snowflakes dissolving in the ocean. or the lake. So like that, by maintaining this visualization, then you have to receive this four empowerment as it is given to you. Now, to practice the Vajrayana, that you have to have this empowerment, which is the entrance door to all the practice of the secret mantrayana. And then after you receive the empowerment, then as the life force of this empowerment is to maintain the samaya, the words of honor. And it is said that if you are able to maintain the words of honor, then you will be able to receive all these blessings and be able to develop all these qualities as taught in the texts. And in the same way, if you are not able to, on the other hand, if you are not able to observe these samayas and break the samaya, then in that case, then you have to face the negative consequences of taking rebirth in the hell realm and other such kind of negative consequences. So you should keep in mind that it is very important after you receive this empowerment, then you have to keep all these vows and the samayas required, the necessary vows and samaya required. So keeping this in mind, now you make this application to the Lama, requesting the Lama to grant you this empowerment.
수상지 리브지에 감사도 수련과 지자의 감사를 소화 감사는 하늘의 바위장 하늘의 유리선과 또 왕의 예담들과 로제선과 예인들 로제선과 얘는 나가서 비행도라는 수행을 유지죠 신고들의 개호 아무도 가서는 이게 제가做这个电影理解吧的，那做很多这什么的，都比较好的，因为那么主要是当到理解的那么，而且理解的那看起来比军队那送就是啊，送那个哪里的可以都这什么的，就是让那都这什么。Docente cioccolata ne sappiamo proprio ne genera ne docente di ne giuncella sopportazione ne candelaria esame ne giuncella ne docente ne genera ne ma ciao che devo cambiare funziona ne da sistema va di sistema redo sini ada in discussion green position group example position group such name issue position kela ne kana changement de tâche ne docent conduire son emploi MSc Yabongo lettre
So with earlier that after receiving this empowerment, it is necessary to keep the samaya, the words of honor, that is to keep all the vows and samayas required. And generally in the Vajrayana there are 14 good samayas and 8 major samayas and all these different samayas and various traditions of the inner tantra teachings. And of this, then if you're able to hold all of them, it would be good. But in this case, then I would request you all that if you can, then you can practice the sadhana according to this, the Dolsen Lamachepa, the offering of the Bodhisattva as the Lama. And if you are not able to follow this sadhana, then you can use the daily concise Bodhisattva practice to keep on continuing these practices. And then, or if you cannot do that, then at least you have to recite the 100 syllable mantra 21 times every day. So in that way, if you practice this Bodhisattva regularly on the regular basis, then you will be able to keeping all these samayas. And then, so like that, so this is my request after receiving this empowerment, you have to continue practicing and keep on repeating the Bodhisattva mantra on a regular basis.
To thank our entire team, including community member and volunteer for your tireless support in organizing this event in short notice. Also, many thanks to all our sponsors for this event. Much appreciation. Thank to Kempur Nima Dundun for this guidance throughout this event. And last but not the least, thanks to all participants and invitees for coming here and making this empowerment great successful. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you.
Amarana Zvedaya Soha Daya Soha Om Goro Yosidi Om Pe Amarana Zavendaya 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 Soha Om Goro Yosidi Om Pe